Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today video, I have an exciting topics about how to write a product description by using a Tailwind Ghostwriter. In this video, I will show you how to create a product description within a simple way by using Tailwind Ghostwriter. I was compensated to create this video, though all opinions are my own. First of all, what's Tailwind Ghostwriter? Tailwind Ghostwriter is an artificial intelligence that generates high quality content. You can use it for social media, for video marketing, email marketing, and product listing. As you can see, you can also use for blog and SEO. For now, I'm going to show you how to use a Tailwind Ghostwriter for a product description, specifically for Etsy product listing. So first of all, as you can see, to access Tailwind Ghostwriter, after you create a Tailwind account, just go to Ghostwriter AI and product listing category, just choose Etsy product listing. So as you can see here, you have to fulfill some information about your product. That means it's a product name, the name of your product. Second one, target audience, who your product is for. And the third one, keywords. Keywords means a word that people put on search engines like Google to get your product. So if you are selling bag, your first keyword must be a bag. Then the last one, value and creation. This means that what makes your product unique, a unique character of your product. So let's create one Etsy listing like here. As you can see here, I'm going to create a listing like this. It's earring. So as you can see here, the first one, rose stud earrings. So I just put rose stud earrings on the product name. Second one, target audience. What will be my target audience? So my target audience is especially for women. Here I'll just copy and paste. What will be the keywords? The keywords here, as you can see, earring, and rose stud earrings. Copy, just paste. Third one, gold stud earrings. Value and creation. What's my product will be unique. It is simple here. Simple and here small and simple. Small and simple. So after you fill out all the information here, just click generate Etsy product listing. So here are the results. My product title, Radiant Rose Stud Earring, elegant gold stud earring for every occasion. As you can see here, the product description here, and the tags, product tags here. So once you are satisfied with the generated product description, you can copy here the product title. You can copy and on your product listing just paste. So and you can copy the product description and paste also. So in general, as you can see, Tailwind Ghostwriter generates high quality within a second. So it saves you a lot of time. We all know that product description can be challenging to write, but with Tailwind Ghostwriter AI, it can be easy and hassle-free. Writing great product description with Tailwind Ghostwriter AI will help boost sales and add more professionalism to your online stores. This is all about how to write a product description by using Tailwind Ghostwriter. As you can see, the dashboard is user friendly. It's simple to use. So if you want to start using Tailwind Ghostwriter, you can try it by yourself today. Thanks for your time. If you have any comment, just put your comment on the comment section. Thank you.